Don't come back and tell me you miss me. You had your chance when I was right there.
Right.
When I was consistent.
Right.
When I was showing up. When I was choosing you. You don't get to miss what you didn't value. You don't get to appreciate me after I had to walk away. If it took my absence for you to feel the difference, then you were never really present when I was there.
I didn't leave because I stopped caring. I left because I cared too much, and it wasn't being appreciated. I gave grace. I gave communication before I gave distance. So don't romanticize my absence now. Don't confuse regret with growth.
And let me tell you something. The version of me you miss, she doesn't exist anymore. This new version knows what it means to choose herself. All I can say, be careful who you mishandle, because you might not be able to bring them back.